In this video, I'll show you how to streamline your workflow by automating your virtual desktops using PowerShell. What is Windows Virtual Desktop? It's a built-in feature in Windows that lets you create multiple desktops on a single computer. It helps you separate workspaces for different tasks, like one desktop for work, another for personal browsing, making it super easy to stay organized and focused. Let's jump in. Open up your Windows search and find Windows PowerShell. Run this as administrator. Next up, you will need to install the Virtual Desktop module from PS Gallery. PS Gallery is Microsoft's official online repository for PowerShell modules and scripts. Think of it like an app store for PowerShell. So this first command ensures that you don't get any prompts when installing modules from PS Gallery. Now this next command, set execution policy, temporarily bypasses the execution policy for the current session, allowing you to run unassigned scripts. Using this command, it will fetch the Virtual Desktop module from the PS Gallery repository and install it on your machine. This will install it only for the current user. After the installation is complete, you will need to import the module. That's it for the initial setup. Now let's test by using commands to create desktops. And that's it, everything seems to be working fine. Now it's time to automate. Create a brand new folder where you're gonna have all of your desktops stored. In this folder, create a text file. What you want to do is make sure you can see the file extension, because you will need to rename that extension to a .ps1 file, which is a PowerShell specific file. Next, open up that file for editing, and let's create a very basic script. This script is going to create a brand new virtual desktop with a specific name. In addition to that, it will start the Chrome browser with a specific website loaded. Next, simply rename the extension of this file to a PS1 file, then save it. The next step is to create a shortcut to that PS1 file we just created. So this is where we have to do a little more configuration, because when we call that PS1 file, the Windows execution policy automatically rejects it. So we're going to add a parameter in this shortcut that tells Windows to bypass that execution policy when executing that script. When you're done configuring the shortcut to point to the name and location of your script, press finish. So from here, you should be able to double click that shortcut and have it create a virtual desktop. Okay, that's not working for me. And the reason is that I did not have quotes around the file location. If something isn't working, just double check the syntax. Okay, let's try it again. Now, when I double click the file, it creates a new desktop and opens Chrome. So although that might be useful, it's not useful enough. Let's have it create a new virtual desktop, open YouTube, and open Visual Studio. This file has become a little more useful. It now has a common workflow, at least for me. Let's take it a step further with Windows Speech Synthesis. This is a built-in feature in Windows 11. Edit your PS1 custom desktop file, and let's call the Windows Speech Synthesis API, passing it a custom message. This message will play each and every time you run that custom desktop file.
Your coding desktop is ready for use.
And that's pretty much it. If you want to continue expanding your desktops, all you have to do is make a copy of each of your custom desktops, change the script around, and create a shortcut to that file. Being able to configure multiple desktops is a great feature built in to Windows 11. You can get really creative with the automation. There's no limit. I've been using this feature for many years, and it's helped me to separate my workspaces and keep me organized. And that's it for this video. If you're having issues with this process, please leave a comment and I will be happy to help. See you next time.